Something meaningful is happening right now, and it's one of those moments that might not seem dramatic at first glance, but once you understand what it represents, it becomes impossible to ignore. Aptera has begun sending vehicle frames to its headquarters in California, and that single development quietly marks one of the most important transitions in the entire journey so far. Because when frames start moving, the conversation changes. This is no longer about concepts, renderings, or projections. This is about physical components being built, shipped, and assembled. This is about progress that can be touched, measured, and tested. The frame is not just another part of the vehicle, it is the vehicle's backbone. Everything else depends on it. The battery pack mounts to it. The suspension geometry is defined by it. The wheel assemblies, structural reinforcements, and carbon fiber components all rely on this foundation being correct down to the smallest tolerance. Without the frame, nothing else can move forward. With the frame, everything begins to come together. That's why this moment matters so much. The frames now being shipped are not rough prototypes or early mock-ups. These are fully machined structural components designed specifically for validation and testing. They represent a stage where design intent has solidified enough to justify real-world assembly and evaluation. This is the point where engineering stops being theoretical. What makes this development even more important is the method being used to produce these frames. At this stage, they are being machined rather than mass cast, and that choice is intentional. Machining allows for precise control, flexibility, and rapid iteration. It enables engineers to test real parts without locking themselves into expensive tooling decisions too early. This is a disciplined manufacturing strategy. At low production volumes, high-pressure die casting simply doesn't make sense. The cost of tooling is enormous, and once those tools are created, changes become extremely expensive. Machining, on the other hand, allows teams to learn first, then commit. This approach was discussed previously in conversations focused on early production planning. The goal was clear: validate the structure, validate the process, and validate the vehicle before scaling. And now that plan is being executed. Several frames, at least 4 or 5 based on what's been observed, have already been completed and prepared for shipment. These frames are currently on their way to headquarters, where they will be used to assemble the next set of validation vehicles. That detail alone is huge. Validation vehicles are not built for show. They are built to be tested aggressively. They are driven, measured, disassembled, and improved. Each one serves a purpose, answering specific questions about performance, durability, integration, and manufacturability. You don't rely on a single validation vehicle because no single build can reveal everything. Multiple vehicles allow teams to test different systems in parallel. One vehicle may focus on structural behavior, another may concentrate on thermal management, another may evaluate software integration or production line efficiency. This is how real development happens. Seeing multiple frames ready at the same time indicates that Aptera is preparing for that phase in earnest. It signals coordination between suppliers, manufacturing partners, and internal teams. It signals that the next stage isn't theoretical, it's already underway. And there's another important layer to this story. Aptera has previously indicated that it could produce up to 50 vehicles during this low-volume phase. That number isn't about immediate customer deliveries, it's about learning. It's about refining assembly workflows, identifying inefficiencies, and ensuring that the vehicle can be built consistently. This phase is where manufacturing reality replaces planning assumptions. Every frame that arrives contributes to that learning curve. Each assembly teaches the team something new, where time is lost, where processes can be streamlined, where tolerances need adjustment, where systems interact in unexpected ways. This is the unglamorous work that separates ideas from products, and it's happening now. What stands out most is the steady momentum. There's no sign of hesitation, no indication that development has stalled. Frames are being built, frames are being shipped, vehicles are being assembled, testing is moving forward. This isn't hype-driven progress, it's execution-driven progress. That distinction matters, because hype fades, execution compounds. Every completed frame represents a solved problem. Every assembled vehicle represents a validated decision, and as those decisions stack up, uncertainty shrinks. That's how confidence is built. Looking ahead, the coming months are shaping up to be critical. Validation testing will reveal how the vehicle performs under real-world conditions. Production workflows will be stress-tested. Data will guide final design adjustments, and each iteration will bring the vehicle closer to readiness. This phase is where optimism meets reality. And so far, reality appears to be keeping pace. It's important to recognize what this moment represents in a broader context. Aptera isn't just developing a vehicle, it's pursuing a fundamentally different approach to mobility, one centered on efficiency, lightweight design, and solar integration. That ambition requires precision, it requires discipline, and it requires patience. Shipping frames to headquarters may not generate headlines, but it's exactly the kind of milestone that matters most. It shows that progress is being made where it counts. It shows that the foundation is being laid correctly. And foundations matter. Because once the foundation is solid, everything built on top of it becomes stronger. This is why this update carries so much weight. It confirms that development is advancing. It confirms that manufacturing plans are being executed. It confirms that the vehicle is transitioning from concept to reality. Frame by frame, vehicle by vehicle, step by step. This is how real progress looks, and it's happening now. The road ahead is still challenging. There will be obstacles, there will be adjustments. That's the nature of building something new. But the movement of these frames shows that Aptera is not standing still. It's moving forward with intention. As more frames arrive and more vehicles are assembled, the picture will continue to sharpen. Production numbers will become clearer, timelines will become more defined, validation results will guide next steps, and each completed test will bring the distance between vision and reality closer. This moment isn't about celebration, it's about confirmation. Confirmation that the work continues, confirmation that the plan is being followed, confirmation that progress is real. The foundation is in place, the structure is coming together, and the journey towards solar mobility is advancing, one frame at a time. This is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of the next chapter.